Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another update. My name is Akash, and today we're going to be talking about the markets and see what's happening. Right? I might even try and break down a couple trades that I took last night. Yeah, before we get into any of that stuff, right? It's been a month since the last uploaded video, so I'm gonna start try and keep up, post at least a video every single day. My name is Akash. You can follow me on Twitter at Mangyako with a zero at the end. I lead the Forex Street crypto team. Uh, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on this link here in my bio, and it'll take you to this particular channel. Hit the subscribe button and follow along. Right, I post a lot of educational content, trade breakdown, and what I'm expecting for the week or so. So what's happening right now is really interesting because last night I called it in my Discord group that I hope we get a big green candle that rips all the shots up, and that's exactly what we're having here. Um, so the price has moved comfortably moved above the POC of this particular price action over here. At the POC was around 16.5K, and that's really interesting, right? And as you can see, the price continues to climb up. I'm not booking profits here because I'm expecting this inverse head and shoulders pattern to kind of play out, and expecting the price to go up to 17.6K. I already called this I think I called it a few days ago. As you can see here, this is the inverse head and shoulders that I've been talking about, right? Although I expected the right shoulder to be just this particular thing, right? But it extended a little lower. I don't mind. Things are playing out pretty good. As you can see here, the target for this inverse head and shoulders pattern is a 6% upswing, which not incidentally, but interestingly coincides with this 17.6K level, which is the June 18 lows. Okay, so it's really interesting what's happening here with Bitcoin. Let's check what the wave trend indicator is showing. Okay, we're trying to move above the zero line, which is good. The volume is also increasing pretty good. The momentum, I mean. Okay, so what I'm expecting next for Bitcoin, right? We either continue going up a little bit of chop somewhere around 17K. I think roughly around 17K is where we might see a little bit of chop if the price doesn't continue to move up swiftly. And then we eventually hit 17.6K. This has been my TP1 for quite some time. As you can see here, I think I did a really good job with the markets yesterday. This is where I opened my long position. Let's break it down, right? So basically, this both of these lows were swept on this particular candle here. I wanted a long here, but I did not. And then I waited for another sweep, which was really good. So I opened a long position, I think, on this particular candle. Although I should have kept my stop loss here at 16.4K, it was a tight stop loss. I forgot to set up my stop loss, and then I came back a few minutes later and I saw that there was another sweep, right? I thought it was good because I could see on a 15-minute time frame, I think there was a really good bullish divergence that was found here, and I expected the price to kind of the RSI to play out this way, but it's a little different, but it's played out pretty nicely, right? So what we had here is like a consolidation followed by a flip of this level, and then we rallied higher. So again, I'm still expecting the price to go up to 17.6K, right? And once we kind of flip 17.6K, that's when the most important level comes into picture or play. That is $19,000. Now, why is $19,000 really important? I've explained in a lot of my streams that 19K is basically the 2022 volume point of control. Right, so if you look at this particular chart here, for each year, I've used volume profile indicators to see where the price has traded, right? If you look at 2022, you can see okay, it's shifted now a little higher. As you can see, this is around 19.2K. So this what this red line means is that in all of 2022, right, roughly 333 days, Bitcoin price has traded the most in terms of volume around 19.2K. That means a lot of volume was trading at this level, and it makes sense considering the consolidation that's happened here, right? So 19.2K is now the volume point of control. So let me just change this as it is, 19,235. Right, so that's where I'm expecting the take profit level for Bitcoin to be if we flip 17.6K. So that's where I want to end the short term outlook. Let's quickly go over what's happening on a macro perspective, right? Because I've been pointing this out in my Discord, in my stream, and in my articles on FX Street, that and why it's so important, right? Like, for example, take a look at this. Uh, Let me change here as well. It's 19,230, 235, and extend this. So why this this rally that's happening right now is important is because you can see on a 3-day time frame, uh, there has been bullish divergence that's been developing for the last 165 days. That's roughly more, let's say more than 5 months, right? And you can see the momentum has been slowly climbing up from an oversold region to into the middle zone, right, in the neutral territory. So this is an extremely important development. And on top of that, you can see that the MRI indicator indicated that this orange arrow basically indicates that the next candle is going to be an important candle, and there could be a potential for a buy signal to pop up here. Now, because of the rally, I don't think we're going to get it. Like, depending on how this particular candle closes, which has another 2 days to go, right? I feel like we should be here. Let me just check the count. Right, so this is where if we had kind of stayed below the close of this particular candle, then I'm pretty sure this would have been a buy signal. But either way, right, I'm going to take it. It's a 5-month long bullish divergence that's being it's getting it's playing out right now. This is really important. So if you look at this, right, it's a piece of cake for price to come back up to this level, which is 18K, and then the point of control at 19,235. So yeah, there's a lot of confluence happening here. On a lower time frame, I'm expecting price to go up to 19K, and potentially on a 3-day time frame as well. Something similar is happening, and supporting that is not only the MRI indicator but the bullish divergence. So to sum it all up, right, things are looking pretty good for Bitcoin. No matter what time frame you look at it from, you can see that the wave trend indicator is also setting up a crossover here, which is really good. The only thing that you have to kind of take care right now is the daily moving averages. Right, even that indicates that roughly 18K is where you can expect the price to hit a lot of resistance, if not 17.6K. So that is basically my take, guys. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to break down the trades that I've taken going forward on top of market updates. Please don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I think the best place to be right now is on my in my Discord. I think this one is invalid, so let me just unpin this. And if you guys need to join my Discord, it's in this particular tweet at the end. Click on this link here, and you can join my Discord. I'm gonna be pinning this tweet for you guys, so you don't have to scroll through my Twitter profile. So yeah, this is a challenge again. Hopefully I flip 500 to 2K, maybe even 5K. That's basically the plan, slow and steady. And I want to take you guys along for a ride as well. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a beautiful week ahead of you. Peace.